This is the News 21 with the top headlines across India. 1. Jharkhand issues bird flu alert. State-run poultry farm sees cases, 2,196 birds culled. 2. Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra likely to file nominations from Amethi and Raebareli amidst Ayodhya visit speculation, sources. 3. Salman Khan faces brutal trolling over quirky pants choice, by Chapri Wali Harkat Achi Nahi Lagdi. 4. Incarcerated separatist Amritpal Singh to contest Lok Sabha elections from Punjab's Khadur Sahib constituency. 5. Election Commission likely to clear PM Modi of MCC violation allegations arising from Pilibhit rally. These were the top news headlines on the News 21. For more updates on these developing stories, please visit www.thenews21.com. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest hard-hitting news coverage.